Hello, this is to inform you about an upcoming workshop in Zürich, Switzerland. This will be the second time for me to teach there. And the workshop, I think you will find it interesting. If you are familiar with yoga, you are probably accustomed to the idea that yoga means something you do on your private time, meaning you have your yoga moment and then the rest of the life, which is kind of something else. So in this workshop we are going to explore the themes of yoga in the life in terms of topics such as how to deal with and reduce stress, how to use the tools of yoga, including breathing, devotional tools, Bhakti, and yoga's ideas about how to balance the life. Obviously, a workshop is something which takes place in a particular setting, in a particular time, but the idea really is that you will get tools that you can bring with you into your home and into your life outside and after the workshop. So, welcome. Please join me in Zurich if it somehow fits your schedule.